Good morning, I'm Dr. Deuk Majin here at the Deuk Spine Institute with one of our patients who traveled from Puerto Rico to Florida for our Deuk Laser Disc Repair, the best laser spine surgery available in the world. And you traveled here because you had problems with a herniated disc, degenerated discs, and a pinched nerve. 3 discs to be exact, C3-4, C5-6, C6-7. How do you feel after your surgery?
I feel incredible. I mean, the pain is completely gone in my arm, which was what was bothering me the most. It was gone immediately after I woke up from surgery. So, I mean, I used to, like I told you, sleep with my arm hanging down the bed because of the pain, and it's completely gone. I'm completely thankful and amazed about it. So
now, you must have had an opportunity to have surgery or treatment in Puerto Rico where you live. Why did you choose to come to Deuk Spine Institute?
I did go to our best specialists on the island, orthopedic and neurologists, and they both offered laminectomies, which I thought at the time that was not an option, considering I didn't want screws in my neck or a metal plate. A friend of my brother's had come to Deuk to have a cervical treatment that I just had, and he said that it was completely successful about 10 years ago, and I said, hey, that is the man that has to treat me too. So I started doing my homework, and I went to a Zoom call with Dr. Deuk, and he recommended the surgery that I just had, and I'm so happy that he did, because it really did solve my problems.
How convenient was it to work with Deuk Spine Institute staff?
I in the comments that I wrote in the review, I think this is a very futuristic place to come to get treatment, because everything is way ahead of its time. The staff is great, the doctors are great, the facilities are awesome. So if you have pain, this is the place to come to get your treatment, no doubt.
Now, you're in the healthcare sector yourself.
I am.
And you deal with doctors every day, and you knew that you did not want invasive surgery for your disc problem. What would you say to your friends and family about your experience?
I would say do your homework. Don't listen to the first person that tells you something. Do your homework and look for alternatives, because they exist. There's not a lot of them, but they exist. For sure you can find them, and I did in this case. So I'm happy that I did. So if you have pain and if you have any back problems, you have to call Dr. Deuk, no doubt.
I would love for you to say one last comment in Spanish, since that's your native tongue.
Claro, sí. Sin duda alguna, he tenido una tremenda experiencia en Deuk Spine Center. Volé desde Puerto Rico para venir aquí a tener este tratamiento y no me arrepiento en lo absoluto. El costo vale lo que cuesta, definitivamente, porque tengo 0 dolor ahora mismito en mi brazo y llevo 2 años peleando con el mismo. Así que es una excelente experiencia y no tengo dolor, ni siquiera la cirugía fue dolorosa. Así que lo recomiendo a todas las personas que padezcan de dolor, sin duda alguna.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience.
Gracias,
Enjoy life.
Dr. Deuk. Gracias.
And take care.
You bet.